Brilliant Maths. Some of you have been following me on this channel. Thank you so much. Continue to watch. Subscribe to this channel. Have you been to the blog? brilliantmaths.com. Go to the blog, you'll find lots and lots of practice. We've been working a lot on fractions for a while now. Today we'll be looking at subtracting mixed numbers. How do you subtract mixed numbers? What are mixed numbers? A mixed number is a number that has a whole number part and a fractional part attached to it. Let's look at example 1. Subtract 4 1/3 from 6 3/4. Subtract 4 1/3 from 6 3/4. The question actually is 6 3/4 minus 4 1/3. When you're subtracting mixed numbers, you subtract the whole number part and then subtract the fractional part. But before you can subtract the fractional part, you must write them as fractions with the same denominator. So you find the LCM of the denominators. For this case, we're finding the LCM of 4 and 3. The LCM, lowest common multiple, of 4 and 3 is equal to 12. That means that 12 is the smallest number that 4 and 3 can divide without a remainder. So the next step, we're going to subtract the whole number part. 6 take away 4. And then we're going to write 3/4 and 1/3 as fractions with the denominator of 12. So 12 is our denominator now. 4 into 12 is 3. We'll multiply 3 by 3 to get the numerator. 3 times 3 in a bracket is subtraction, so we maintain that. 3 into 12 is 4. So we're going to multiply 4 by 1. 1 times 4. It follows that 6 take away 4 is 2. 2. The denominator is 12. 3 times 3 is 9. Take away. 1 times 4 is 4. Our answer becomes 2 whole number. 9 take away 4 is 5 over 12. So if you subtract 4 1/3 from 6 3/4, you'll get 2 whole number 5 over 12. Look at how easy it is. Let's look at example 2. Example 2. 4 1/2 take away 1/4. Solution. I choose to write the question again so we can see exactly what we are doing. 4 1/2 minus 1/4. What's the LCM of 2 and 5? Everybody knows that that is 10, because 10 is the smallest number that 2 and 5 can divide without a remainder. LCM of 2 and 5 equals 10. So step number 2, we need to subtract the whole number part. 4 take away 1. And then we write 1/2 and 4/5 as fractions with the denominator of 10. So 10 is our denominator now. 2 into 10 is 5. 5 times 1 will give us the numerator on that side. Take away. 5 into 10 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4. So we have that 4 take away 1 is 3. And 1 times 5 is 5 minus 2 times 4 is 8 all over 10. 5 take away 8. 8 is greater than 5. So we need to borrow 1 from the 3 whole number, and that 1 we borrow has the same value as the denominator. So the 1 we've borrowed is 10 out of 10, because any number over itself is equal to 1. For example, we know that 3 over 3 is 1 whole, 6 over 6 is 1 whole, 10 over 10 is 1 whole. So in this case, the 1 we borrow, because the denominator is 10, that 1 is equal to 10 out of 10. So if you borrow 1 from 3, you have 2 left. The 1 we borrowed is 10 out of 10. So we're going to add a 10 to the 5. 10 plus 5, and that gives us 15. Take away 8 all over 10. Now we have 10 plus 5, and 10 plus 5 is 15. So it's 2 whole number, 15, take away 8 over 10. We can conveniently subtract 8 from 15. So our answer is 2 whole number, 7 over 10. Very easy. Just go through the steps one after the other. Example 3. From 7 to 5th, take 6, 5 over 8. The actual question is subtract 6 whole number 5 over 8 from 7 to 5th. So we'll write the question again. 7 to 5th minus 6, 5, 8. Step number 1. LCM of 5 and 8. LCM, lowest common multiple, of 5 and 8, and that is equal to 40. The next step, 7 minus 6, 7 take away 6, and then we write 2 5ths and 5 8ths as fractions with the denominator of 40. 40. 5 into 40 is 8. 2 times 8. Take away, because we are subtracting. 8 into 40 is 5. So we have 5 times 5 there. The next step, 7 take away 6 is 1. 2 times 8 is 16. Take away. 5 times 5 is 25 all over 40. Again, we are subtracting a bigger number from a smaller one, so we need to borrow. We need to borrow this one. And when we borrow this one, the value of this one will be 40 out of 40. And we'll have nothing left in the whole number part. So that's equal to 40 plus 16. Take away 25 all over 40. So the one we have borrowed is the 40 out of 40 here. 40 plus 16 will be equal to 56. Take away 25 over 40. 6 take away 5 is 1. 5 take away 2 is 3 over 40. So our answer is 31 over 40. And this fraction is in its lowest term because there is no number that can divide 31 and 40 without a remainder. Having learned all that we've done today, we've learned how to subtract mixed numbers. I want you to try these out. Number 1, 2 3/4 take away 1 3/8. Very easy. Number 2, 6 to 5th minus 3 6 over 7. Number 3, 9 to 3rd minus 4 13 over 16. Just take a little time and try it out. You'll find out that you can do it and do it well. My name is Ngozi Orevaoghene. Follow me on brilliantmaths.com. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and continue to watch. We have lots of videos always remember, maths